Here is a very natural, effective way to lighten dark inner thighs, make them very smooth, removing cellulite. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel, turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified. The ingredients I'll be using are purely natural. It's going to lighten those dark inner thighs of yours, making them very soft, making them very smooth, removing cellulite. So you want to know the ingredients, you want to know how to treat them, make them go away naturally. Just continue watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share it to everyone. Let's go ahead and make sure you lighten those dark inner thighs successfully. Here is a very simple way to lighten dark inner thighs, remove cellulite, smoothing your thighs, and making sure your skin is looking flawless. So you have to get an empty bowl for mixing. The first ingredient we are going to use is turmeric powder. Turmeric is very lightening. It contains natural bleaching agent that will help to get rid of pigmentations, darkness of the skin, making sure your skin is even. Go ahead and add just a little amount. Half tablespoon is enough. So here is orange peel powder. So you can equally make use of your orange peel. Okay, this is the same with this. Either you make use of the powder form or you go blend it, turn it into a paste and add it into this treatment. If you also want to get your orange peel powder, just dry your orange peel under the sun, blend it into a powder form. They are all the same. Orange peel powder will help to exfoliate your skin, remove dead skin cells, making sure your skin is soft, smooth, and very bright. It also contains anti-aging properties that will help to nourish and protect your skin from aging, removing cellulite, wrinkles, and the rest. So just a little of it is enough. Half tablespoon of orange peel powder. So I'm also going to squeeze in my lemon juice. Use any citrus fruit. You can make use of orange juice. 1 tablespoon of your lemon juice is enough. 1 tablespoon, alright? So go ahead and mix it up. As you can see, it's still very dry. We need it to be in a paste form and not dry like this. So you need to get apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is very cleansing. We help to get rid of skin imperfections like pigmentations, dark spots, getting rid of wrinkles, protecting your skin from damaging. So I will be adding 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Mix it very well to turn into a paste. You can go ahead and add little water to make it the way you want. So after mixing it, I'm going to go right now to show you how to apply it on those thighs to get perfect results. Make them smooth, brighter, and very flawless.